Hi, I'm Sean.
Hi, I'm Sandeep.
So we tried a task across four models, and we would like to share the results of how it came. So first off, we'll look at the task what we have given. So let me share my screen. Yes. So this is a task. So what we have tried is ask the models to build a 3D football simulator. So this is basically a 3 minute scripted run where we would like to see all those match events simulated in the 3 minute run. So as close as to this image. So this is a reference image we gave along with our prompt. So the whole prompt, this reference image plus whatever the output which we got from the models, everything is committed in GitHub. So that GitHub link we will give it below. So as you can see, this is the reference target which we have given, which I think it has almost a lot of events covered here, and explicitly we ask the model to like simulate these events: kickoff, goal, foul, yellow card, red card, penalty, full time. The whole run should be in 3 minutes. So then how we evaluated is based on these four criterias. So one is reference similarity, which means how the like output is close to this reference image. So that is one criteria, and the second is code organization. So this is basically in the very high level standpoint, not go very deep into exactly what sort of methods, what 3js method it creates, or what optimization which we can do, not in that sort. It is just how we can follow along, how is the folder structure, how the clarity of codes, and the basic constant extraction and etc. So at that high level we check the code organization, and the third point is basically the visual design and polish. So how close is the player's image looks like, and how the ball movements goes from one player to another player, and how it actually like played the script. For example, if it is a goal, how smoothly it went into the goal and how that animation comes into the picture, etc., and everything. And the last point is how much time it take to complete the task. So these are the four criteria which we took and evaluated. So there are four models we took. So Claude Opus, GPT 5.5, Composer 2.5, and JLM 5.2. So we had actually ran the same prompt twice, like in an isolated way. By what I meant is we only expose one folder and the prompt with the reference image. That's all. It doesn't have the knowledge to look at the previous runs to avoid the improvements. So this is just to see deterministically if we gave the same prompt twice, how much of similarities are there, or how much of like it is improving, or it is like how different it is creating. So we took those two runs and we averaged the scores, and that is what we have given for the individual model. Now let's look at Claude Opus first run. Let me open the run, and also we'll keep this image in place so that we can compare when we need to. Let's see.
Okay. I think in this, of course, they put a background, the actual game playing, they kept it in the background. That looks nice. The intro landing page, that looks nice in Opera. Let's started by pressing the kick off
Yeah.
button.
Scripted 3 minutes highlights. Okay.
Yeah, it's done. So here, I think player shapes are good. Ball is also moving properly. This
Hmm.
is like a very good attempt.
Let's see whether this 2x, 3x.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The goal animation is also nicer in this, like how it
Hmm.
runs, slides it from the left.
Yeah,
Probably
but
I think other
understand.
players doesn't move.
Yeah, suddenly it's going like some
Ah,
corner. I don't know what is that.
and the yellow cards, I think they are showing it on the bottom progress bar. That also is, I think,
Hmm.
half time. Let's
No,
run it
overall, the
3x.
design looks somewhat similar to what we have given. It's not that
Yeah.
bad. but okay.
I think players are like not moving in that way like an actual game, but it moves,
Hmm.
but it not in that natural way. Other than that, it looks good. Goal hits a post, it goes inside. That's good.
Also, the ball, there is a little bit of jumpiness. It's not going very smooth from player one to player
Ha
two,
ha
I
ha.
think.
Yeah.
Okay,
This one also is nice. I think here it has all the details, like card, all those it's
let's
showing properly.
see. We have given this way. Okay, that's still okay.
This is a
Okay,
fairly good attempt. Okay.
yeah. Okay, let's see. Run two.
This they did keep the background, but
Yeah, let me also open run. So this is run one. I think this looks good.
better
Okay,
than
run
yeah.
one. Let's go. Oh, it's too
Yeah.
dark.
Here they messed up with the lighting. I think ball, yeah, I think ball goes in the air better than the first run, but player movement is not even there. Like I think
Yeah,
first run the player moves to the post, and here ball only moves. Player doesn't even move. Oh, okay, no, no. Here also player moves, but I think
player
it's
moves, but
kind
it's
of random.
uh, but the ball like smoothly goes to the player. You see,
Yeah, it's
only that is the good thing. Rest everything is not that great.
and I think the bottom, if you look at the reference image, the bottom there is first half that they clearly nailed in this run.
Hmm.
First
Yeah,
half,
yeah.
second half that you
Yes, yes. This
can
one,
see
correct.
that part is there.
Uh, yeah, that part is there. Even the commentary. Oh, that is there here, but still
So there's
okay.
not. Other controls, I think they messed up, but the bottom bar they clearly picked up, but other things
Hmm.
they didn't clear.
Let's
Let's
see
see that
now.
I think goal animation is also, I think first run was better. Here it's not that
It's not
visible.
that. Oh, yeah.
Transition.
Let's see. Pass, resume, new match, abruptly. Okay. I think among these two runs, run one was better
Yeah,
in all the aspects, right?
yes. Other
So,
than the ball, I think ball movement only is better in this,
all
but rest
movement is
everything,
better here. Just-
run one is better.
Yeah.
That's good. I
Okay.
think let's go to the next one.
Yeah. So GPT, let's see what it first run, second run. Yeah. Oh,
This GPT 5.5, right? 5.5
yeah, yeah.
codex.
This is
Yeah, the
good.
here. This is like different from both the runs of codex, but
Hmm.
it's good. Some animation, some movements are there.
Yeah, this football is random, but to see it looks good. But this font is very small. Okay, let's see the
Oh,
match.
okay.
Uh,
Okay. The player, they completely missed the player shape, I guess.
yeah, player shape is not good. I don't know whether ball is really
Li-
moving. Like what is happening?
lighting also, like it's a little bit darker. Lighting also,
Yeah,
they have
lighting is a bit
this.
darker.
Like bottom controls, I think they clearly picked up.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
the goal animation is still good. I think it's better.
I think see, one thing you notice, it exactly did. See, let's go to the reference image. See
Yeah, the
this.
reference image.
See
Yeah, yeah.
this entire
Bottom
thing.
controls, everything is
Uh,
same.
it's proper. Let's see 3x.
Yeah.
I think it's 3x itself is like a 1x speed. It's very slow. Oh, this is exactly matching. You see,
Yeah.
like when let's see whether it reaches here, it's goal. Oh, see, it's perfect, man. See.
Yes, yes, yes. I think controls they did properly. I think 3J's
Uh,
animation, those part, I think it's
Yeah,
behind.
not just that, even this minute order also. See, commentary first half, second half. If you see, same thing. See, it just did the exactly in the reference image,
Yeah.
but only that is good. So the actual
And the
game
actual
is
game
very
is
bad.
bad. Very bad.
The game is very
Red
bad.
card animation. I think all animation. I think everything HTML related. I think they did properly. See the red card
Hmm.
animation, the one which came. I think that was also good.
Yeah, pass,
But
resume, new match. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
there is a subtle animation in this also. Like
Hmm.
when I click the new image, sorry, new match. Let's try. This is run two. Let's see. I think there is no improvement.
This is. Maybe worse than the first one because it's a little bit
Worse
more
than
darker. I think here also, if you see the controls are still that at least how
yeah,
the
yes,
grid, everything I think they did
everything
properly
is
here in
there.
this one.
I think if the, they took the reference image very seriously and they try to do, except
Yes,
for this
yes,
player and this ball,
yeah.
even yeah, even in
All
this also,
transitions also. Transitions
yeah,
are on-screen transitions are very good in this.
yeah,
Goal
yeah,
animation, everything.
yes, and even this timeline, even in the second run, it's still perfect.
Yeah. And it's not same. It has some changes, but it's still got the like some minor changes are there, but it's good. Still a good
Yeah,
layout. The
yeah,
progress bar, if you see run one and run two, progress bar is different, but it has both works, but it has different
but
way of
this
doing it, but both are good.
right, right, but this looks better than run two.
Colorize, yes. The game, I
For
think
some,
game, the overall,
uh,
it looks better. Yeah.
I think in both the models runs, the second run is bad than the first run. I don't know why. Even though we ran it completely
Yeah.
isolated.
I think that's how I think we can't evaluate like that because it's model it picks up randomly kind of so
Hmm.
we can't evaluate based on that but we felt that we both in both the first one was good.
Yeah.
Let's
Let's look at composer. I think the overall time taken to complete is very less in composer compared to all the other models.
mm.
But let's see. This is okay. The screen is not. Oh man.
Yeah, I think the light it blown out the field with more light with light compared to
Okay.
the
I think
even I think the game controls also is bad. The
it's
progress
not.
also everything is in
Yeah.
one row.
Yes, yes, and there is no commentary. Even referential similarity is also very less
Very less.
polished. Polished is not there.
And their field is not in view.
Yeah, look at the player. Oh my God, it's
Play,
not that good.
players also completely bad.
Yeah,
This is very bad.
into
But it's fast. But maybe these are the models. I think we should be telling what we need exactly. I think more to tell, then
maybe.
it might improve.
Yeah,
For now,
I
for
think
this run, it's bad.
it's very. It's not good. Yeah, let's go to the second run. I think the light issue is
Okay.
fixed here.
Yeah, light the fixed, but it made a little bit more darker.
Hmm.
But and I think bottom control, I think they made it a little bit better. I think here we can see more
Yeah, yeah. This
commentary
one
is there.
correct. And is the ball moving? I think nothing, right? It doesn't.
Nothing is
It's
moving. It's stuck.
oh,
So
this is
here and there gameplay they messed
that's
up.
it.
Only the
That's it.
controls say nailed. Yeah, that's it. It's stuck
Game over.
stuck after that. Nothing
Is there
nothing
any
moves.
console error? Like,
No errors. That's funny. But we didn't try to fix anything, so it's this is what we got.
no, no,
But no
no.
errors on the console.
Uh, okay, I think there is nothing much to even see, so
Yeah.
we can
Second one I think we can
close
pick.
this
Did
and
we
see.
completed composer now, right? Yeah. GLF.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because like it doesn't move, so there is nothing to see and
Yeah.
go further. Uh, I didn't like this. This looks very crowded. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so many colors they are putting there, but yeah, it's not
Oh,
that
what
great.
is this? Every player is going walking.
Field is also messed up. They didn't completely
See,
draw
it's
the field, so
it's like just walking.
I think player shape is there, but
uh,
rest everything is bad. But I think player shape is there, like all those are
player
there.
shape. Only that is there.
That is there. Yeah, controls are
Oh,
bad.
see.
Stadium, yeah, yeah. That's.
Very bad. Even look at the net,
I
unfinished
think ball
line.
ball movement is okay. Ball move like ball goes into there, so that's there. But again, it doesn't.
Oh, this is very bad. Like, not
Yeah,
that compared to other runs.
field itself they did properly
Yeah,
render.
yeah. Field itself is not that great. Okay, at least
The
this
yellow
is
card
not.
is good.
That matched timeline matched. Uh, let's see 3x. Yeah, this is working for, except for composer, this is working, like resume, restart,
Egg.
everything is.
Yes. But yeah, the main core thing they completely messed up. So
Yeah, it's not
it's
that.
also not that great.
Yeah. Okay, let's see the second run. This looks better than first, at least. Oh,
Like here,
what is this angle?
again,
Like, what is this?
I think like it's like drawing, right? So I think one point they completely missed and connected to the other side of the post, other side.
Hmm. But it looks like some like triangle cut. This.
Yeah, I think the point it connected from one corner to the other. Basically, it missed a line. That's
Yeah. And player goes inside the goal post and come back, then also it's not goal. What is this? Like, I think.
I think it doesn't match with the scoring also, I guess. Let's see if it see it doesn't. See now it's showing goal. It didn't even ball is not even inside the post. I think post they
Oh.
properly did this time, but no, this is also bad.
Yeah, this is
This is,
completely like out of sync.
I think both. Yeah, I think both of the GLM runs are bad.
Yeah, functionally
Here,
also it didn't
I think
complete.
player shape is good in this. I guess,
Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think in both
but
the runs, this is better like player
but I think
shape.
hmm,
Even in
let's
this
see.
also, it's somewhat good, right? Like player shape is
Player
fine.
shapes are good. I think ball movement is also, but it's not synced to the scoring or to the commentary. So individual parts are good, but then we need to like properly tell that okay, we need to connect it to the commentary. Like more work is needed to even get
Hmm.
the basic. Yeah, I think that's I think all of the
Yeah.
runs, right? That's
Yeah. Let's see the total summary of
so
this.
we gave the scores for each of these, and then we
Yeah.
scores you can find it on the website on the URL, but and we can go through the final result maybe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll do one thing.
Or
So this entire thing we'll put it in the GitHub and publish it so that this individual run score we can see.
yeah,
For now, we will show the average of what we have calculated. So let's see. So in this, there are like how close is the UX? In the GPT is like fine, right? Do you agree?
yeah,
Like I feel GPT is the better UX here in that segment.
matching with that is
Matching,
more
yeah,
controls.
yeah. But the overall everything like Claude did a better job because functionally it's kind of working. Ball goes from one player to another player, even though it's not very smooth in the first run, but I think we can still say it's better than all the other three in terms of the ball movement and animation.
Yeah, the
So overall,
core thing of 3D simulation when we say that should be the main criteria. I think that Claude made a good run than everyone else.
yeah,
Yeah,
true. Yeah. So I think overall Claude did a better job, but this looks like very different. I mean, Composer and GLM. So though the Composer's UX output looks very bad, but its code organization and everything it is better. It is like properly split into files. The constant is
yeah,
like separated, so it's like somewhat better manageable, at least in the very high level point of view. We didn't dig much into the every line by line kind of comparison, but from
hmm.
that bird's view of like skimming through, this is better. So that is the only difference which is has against JLM, or otherwise roughly both are same.
Both are kind of same. Yeah.
At least in this task, like in this particular task, it's kind of we didn't feel any much difference in this.
Yeah,
So yeah.
the yeah, I think these tasks. I think this is specific to what our task we gave, and we didn't try to fix anything. But if you prompt, we give like instructions, it may perform differently. But for this particular task, our aim is to uh, check if they can follow with one prompt, what or they
Yeah,
can build.
True. If we
Yes,
instead of like spanning the same prompt across all these models, if we know the result now, if we tweak accordingly, maybe each model can perform in a better
different.
way.
Yes.
Definitely, this is we cannot like objectively say that this is how it will be, but this is just a try with minimal details with whatever we have given. If we give the same thing, try it out multiple times, how it takes. So that is the perspective we can get it from here.
Yeah. I think in
So
future we'll run more, maybe like a little bit more. Now this is mostly 3D thing we evaluated. Maybe we can give specific coding task or something. We can
yeah,
evaluate it differently, or we can try those other tries later.
yeah, yeah. Definitely, we'll give some not like this task, like somewhat closer to the real-time tasks and see how this performs, how much token efficient it is, and all these things we can maybe
Yeah.
see it in a different setup with a more realistic setup, and we can kind of feel how it takes. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it for today.
Yeah. Thanks.